welcome back to my channel Sing Speaks, and today I'm going to provide you a product review. I have received a product from NaturesEssence and I've posted one video also and provided you the review for diamond facial kit. And if you remember, I have received these 5 products and these contain all the 5 different kinds of facial kits. Glowing gold diamond facial kit, papaya facial kit, and then we have the whitening, and we have the gentle fruit. So today I will provide you review for another facial kit, that is the glowing gold facial kit. So I'm gonna apply this facial kit, and you know what's the best part for this? That this whole kit is just for ₹260. Yes, you heard it right. ये आप पूरी फेशियल किट या आप 3 times, एटलीस्ट आप 3 times तो अप्लाई कर ही सकते हो. इफ़ यू गो टू अ पार्लर और अ सैलून फॉर अ फेशियल तो आपका 1000 या 1000 तो छोड़ो, 2000 से नीचे आपका होता नहीं है कुछ भी, राइट? तो आप ये घर पे बैठ कर, बिकॉज अभी वैसे भी कोविड टाइम चल रहा है, सो फॉर सेफ्टी पर्पसेस ऑल्सो इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल कि हम घर पे ही फेशियल कर ले, तो उससे अच्छी क्या बात हो सकती है, राइट? सो ये जो फेशियल किट है इसमें 5 ट्यूब्स मिलेंगे और ये इसमें ना 4 स्टेप्स होते हैं. अगर आपको डी टैन भी करना है तो आप प्री फेशियल से पहले आप डी टैन भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो if your skin is tanned. अदरवाइज इसमें 4 स्टेप्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज द ग्लोइंग गोल्ड क्लींजिंग स्क्रब, which involves a gentle cleansing scrub that gives your skin a fresh sparkle. Second is the glowing gold massage cream, where we are going to massage the skin, which gives a soft and a golden radiance. Third is the glowing gold gel, which leaves your skin fresh with shine of gold. And the last step is the glowing gold pack. This is a pack which gives you the salon perfect finishing touch with a golden glow. So I can't wait to apply it. Let me open this. Okay. Open this. Okay. So here we have the 5 tubes which I was talking about. See? The D-tan. Then this is the D-tan therapy. This one. Then we have cleansing scrub. The first step is the cleansing scrub. Okay. Then we have the massage cream, the second step. Third is the golden gel we are going to apply. And fourth is the gold pack, the final touch. Okay, so before applying, let me show you my original skin. See, this is my original skin. Okay, see. अभी मैं अप्लाई करूँगी एंड फिर हम चेक करेंगे इसके आफ्टर रिजल्ट्स. एंड अभी मैंने जस्ट फेस वॉश किया है और कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं किया है, तो वी कैन बिगिन नाउ. तो अभी मैंने अपना फेस वेट कर लिया है और विद नॉर्मल वाटर, और अभी मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ, दैट इज द क्लींजिंग स्क्रब. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक अ लिटिल बिट. What a fragrance. Wow. Gently I'll just scrub it over here, over my skin. Okay, so I've washed my face again because ये 3 minutes के लिए अप्लाई करना था, मैंने 3 minutes के लिए अप्लाई कर लिया. अब मैं सेकेंड स्टेप पे आती हूँ, दैट इज द मसाज क्रीम. सो आई एम गोइंग टू जेंटली मसाज माई स्किन and we have to keep it for 15 minutes. Okay, let's go. after 15 minutes I have washed my face again, and now I'm going to apply the third one, that is the glowing gold gel. And you know how easy it is? You can do the whole facial at your home. Isn't it so much amazing? You don't have to spend so much money on salon or parlors just to have a facial. And my skin looks so good. You can see that, right? एक अलग ही ग्लो आ गया है और बहुत सॉफ्ट हो गई है मेरी स्किन. चलो अब थर्ड स्टेप पे आते हैं, दैट इज द ग्लोइंग गोल्ड जेल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई द जेल. ओके, इट्स अ गोल्डन इन कलर. वाओ, व्हाट अ लवली टेक्सचर इट हैज. लवली. So smooth. Wow. Just gently massage with your fingertips. You have to apply this for 2 minutes and then you can wash. Okay, so I have washed my face, and now comes the last and the final and the most important step, that is polished glowing gold pack. So let's apply it. Okay, so I'm gonna take it in a small amount, this much, and apply this pack. And we have to keep it for 10 minutes. Okay. I should take it more, I think. We have enough for 3 times, I think. I'll apply some more. Because in 260 you're getting it for at least, you know, whole kit for at least 3 times. It's so affordable. And it's so good also. It's a natural product after all. No harm to your skin. So I'll keep this pack for around 10 minutes, and then I'll wash my face, and then we'll see the results. So this is the final result. You can see my skin. Wow, जितनी भी dullness थी, dryness थी, वो सब निकल गई है. बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, इतना ग्लो आ रहा है, आप देख सकते हो. एक गोल्डन टच मेरी स्किन को मिला है, एंड इन जस्ट 260 rupees. So you should definitely check out this product. I'll provide the link for this product in the description of my channel, and you can buy it from there. And comment your views. How did you like it? And if you like the video, then please do hit the like button. Do share it as much as you can. And if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.